Good morning, friends. For standard 8, we are discussing chapter number 11. In chapter number 11, already we have completed exercise 11.1 and 11.2. In 11.2, 4 or 5 sums I have explained it here, and more sums, that is still 2 or 3 sum is left, that you have to try it yourself. If you have some doubt related to it, comments in video lecture, so we can go through it. Now the next topic we want to start, that is solid shape. The next topic we want to start, that is the solid shape. So in solid shape, we go through topic solid shape. In solid shape means already we have discussed in class, it's a 3-dimension. Earlier in new class I have studied about the 2-dimension shape. Now we want to discuss about the 3-dimension. In 2-dimension we know that circle, triangle, rectangle, square, trapezium, everything is there. But now for 3-dimension, we have to discuss the different shape, that is in this chapter, that is cuboid, cylinder, cone, cube. So we start from the cube and cuboid and then go for cylinder. You will see that we know that when 3-dimension is there, there is a vertex, face, edge. So we can say it is the cube related the solid surface with state. So vertex, it is called vertex, here it is called face, and here it is called edge. Now we go for already cube, cylinder and cuboid. So these are all the 3 different shapes that we want to discuss in this chapter or in this exercise. Especially exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3, we want to discuss about the cuboidal box, cubical box and cylindrical box. You want to discuss about the cuboidal box, cubical box and cylindrical box. So you will see that already all 6 faces are rectangle, opposite faces are identical. So there are 3 pair of faces. All 6 faces are square and all are equal. So they are identical. And here one curved surface and 2 circular faces which are identical. So 2 circular faces which are identical. So important thing is that how we can find out cuboidal box area, how we can find out cubical box area, and how we can find out cylindrical box area. We are discussed today with the area. Now if I want to find out the cuboidal box total surface area. So total surface area. In total surface area, already here we have discussed there are 3 pair of identicals. 3 pair. So you will see that here top and bottom. They are same. So rectangle. So we can say 2L into B twice. Now if I go for left and right, again length into height. So 2L into B into H and H into L. Here front and back, top and bottom, front and back, left and right, all are identicals. So if I will make two common outside, then formula is L into B plus B into H plus H into L. That is a formula for TSA of cuboid. So TSA of cuboid is formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. By using this, we can identify easily. So again, I have everything and write only the formula related with the TSA. So for TSA, always remember 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Always remember 2 into BH plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now, quest for lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. In lateral surface area, you will see lateral means only 4 sides. We have not taken top and bottom. Then, what the formula is now? That is only, we can say 4 walls. So, in another way, lateral surface area is also called area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. Again, repeat it. That is front, here it is called front, here it is called back, here it is called left, here it is called right. So only 4 areas we have to take, and 2's are identical. Here we say 3 faces are identical, but here 2 faces are identical. So I have to write 2HL into B. That is 2HL into B. That is lateral surface area of cuboid. So to formula, at least you have to write 5 times. You have to write 5 times. That is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Another formula is 2HL plus B. Lateral surface area of cuboid, or we can say area of 4 walls. Now we go for cubical box. We are discussing related only area, not related volume. If I want to find out the volume of cuboid, then I can write L into B into H, which occupies space. But let me discuss in later on. Today we are discussing only related with the area. So 2 formulas related with the cuboid, that is lateral surface area and total surface area. Here formula is 2HL plus B, and here formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now we go for cuboidal box. Now here you will see that square is there. In here it is rectangle. That is why length, breadth, height is necessary. But we know that you will see the sides everywhere it is same, because it's a square. So if I want to find out total surface area of cube, total surface area of cube, then which formula we have to use? 6 times squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 squares are there. There are 6 squares. So I have to write 6L square. There are 6 squares. And we know the formula of area of square, that is side square. We can take side as a L, we can take side as a. Now, lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area. Now, lateral surface, you will give always top. We cannot take top and bottom. When lateral surface area are there, we can take all 4 sides. That is why we can say first square, second square, third square, and fourth square. That is why I am writing 4L square. So total surface area of cube 6L square, lateral surface area of square 4L square. Total surface area, lateral surface area of cuboid, that is 2HL plus B. Total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now at here. So here circular base and circular base and top are identical. Here it is a circle. Again here circle. And here it is height. Curved surface. That is called height. So circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. And height, that is h. Now here the curved surface is there. So we can write the name of it is curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Because surface, again it's a circle. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So we have to write 2 pi r h. Now total surface area of, here we can say closed cylinder. Another word is closed cylinder. So in closed cylinder, what we have to write again? In closed cylinder, that is, again here it is counted, again here it is counted. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. It's a area of circle. So pi r square. So if I will common 2 pi r, then formula is h plus r. So 6 formula we have to learn anyhow. I hope you have to write this formula compulsory 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write this formula 5 times. Now if you have written all this formula 5 times, then we have to go the example of it, and by using this formula, all 6 formula, we can find out the area, or we can say lateral surface area and total surface area. So now we go for examples. Let me see that. Okay, so here one example is there. Question is find total surface area of the following cuboid. Everyone know formula for total surface area? Again I am writing it here. What is the total surface area of? That is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Total surface area, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now you know that what is L, what is B and what is. So first of all I will write what is L. L is equal to 6 cm. What is B? Breadth, that is 4 cm. What is height? That is 2 cm. Now I have to put all this value at here. Now we have solved this. 2 into L into B. So L into B. So 6 multiplied by 4 plus B into H, that is 4 into 2 plus H into L, 2 into 6, that is 2, 24 plus 8 plus 12. So 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 24, that is 44. So 2 into, we can write 2 into 44, that is 88. Unit is centimeter square. Now give me answer of this. PSA of, try to solve and give me answer of it. I am writing it here, that is height. Here it is called height. Here it is called breadth. Here it is called H. Now give me answer of it. You have to write the answer in comment. Anyone get answer directly to me? So 2 into L into B, 4 4s are 16. B into H, 4 10s are 40. Plus 10 into 4, 40. So that is 2, 40 plus 40, 80, 80 plus 16, 96. 192 centimeter square. So that is the total surface area of we have find out. Now if I will ask to the student find out the lateral surface area, then which formula we can use? Lateral surface area, that is 2HL plus B. So try to also find out total surface area and lateral surface area. So 2 into H, what is the value of H? That is 2. L plus B, 6 plus 4. So 4 into 10, that is 40 centimeter square. Now give me the answer of lateral surface area of another it. Let me see who give me answer of it. Chalo. So now we go for next sum. Okay. So here 2 cube is there, and we have to find out surface area of cube and lateral surface area of cube B. Here find out the surface area. So cube is there. Always we have to find out every time when TSA of cube and LSA of cube. It is too much easy. TSA of cube 6L square. Lateral surface area of cube 4L square. Put value everywhere, you can get easily answer. So 6 into 10 square. So 6 into 100. Mostly I have seen the student 10 to the 20 they are doing. That is wrong. So 600 centimeter square. Now again 4 into 10 square. So 4 into 100, that is 400 centimeter square. Same way you have to do the cube B and compare which has more area. I think you have get easily answer here and compare your answer. Everyone get answer of our need? 6 into 8 square. So 6 into 64 you have to write. And 4 into 8 square. You have to write 4 into 64. That is the answer. So now we go for next. Because already we have discussed the area related, total surface area and lateral surface area of cuboid, total surface area and lateral surface area of cube. Now what is remain? That is cylinder. So now we go for cylinder. So how the formulas generated already we have discussed, but again the explanation of cylinder. So if I will cut this cylinder, here it is a cylinder. If I will cut and convert it into a rectangle. So rectangle formula of rectangle, that is length into breadth. Area of rectangle, that is L into B. Area of rectangle L into B. Now what is length? That you will see. What is breadth? That you will see. Breadth is height. So H. Now what is length? It's a circumference of a circle. So that is 2 pi r. That is why, or we can say circumference of base into height. Circumference of base of circle. Circumference of base into height. We can get lateral surface area of cylinder. That is 2 pi r into h. That is 2 pi r h. Now we go for n total surface area. So total surface area pi r square 2 times. Here it is pi r square. Here it is pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 times. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, or 2 pi r common H plus R or R plus H. So two formula here we have to remember. Now we have to discuss the sum also. Now give me the answer of it. Question is total surface area of cylinder. We have to find out total surface area of cylinder. Anyone know the formula for total surface area? Total surface area formula is 2 pi r in bracket H plus R. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r H plus R. Now what is R at here? R is equal to 14 centimeter. R is equal to 14 centimeter. And height H is equal to 8 centimeter. So if I will put the value of pi, if it is not given, we have to use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R, that is given as a 14. And in bracket H plus R, that is 8 plus 14. 7 2s are. So 2 into 22 into 2. 14 plus 8, 22. Now multiply this. 2 into 22, 44, 44 into 2, 88 into 22. So 88 into 22, 88 into 22. 8 to the 16, carry 1, 8 to the 16, 17. Again add 6, 7, 1. So 6, 13, carry 1, 9, 1936. So 1936 centimeter square, that is the area related. So always remember now the sums or the examples that is given in question that we have to discuss. Okay, let me see what the question is. An aquarium is in form of cuboid whose external measures are. So when these form are there, 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 40 centimeters, means L is equal to 80, breadth is equal to 30, and height is equal to 40 centimeter. The base, side face and back face. The base, bottom, side and back are to be covered with the colored paper. Find the area of paper needed. What is the needed area? Required area? Area of base, area of back face and area of side face. So it has two sides. So area of base, that is L into B. That is 2400. Area of side face, that is B into H, 1200. But it has two, left hand side both. If you will see here, again here. So it has 2. So 1200 into 2, that is 2400. And area of back side aquarium, that is L into H. 80 into 40, that is 3200. So total answer is 8000 centimeter square. Now we go for one more sums. So all sums, if you will see properly, now one more examples that we have to discuss. It is so one more example related with the cuboidal room. So already we have discussed about the cuboidal room. Whitewashing for all, area of 4 wall. Area of 4 wall formula, we know that area of 4 wall, that is already I have written 2HL plus B. area of 4 wall, that is 2HL plus B. So length, breadth and height is given. So we can get 160 meter square. Now costing of 5 meter square, 5 rupees per meter square. So if 1 meter square answer is rupees 5, then for 160 meter square answer is 800. Question is, again I explained that what the question is. Cuboidal length, breadth, height is given. Find the cost of whitewashing for area of 4 wall. So area of 4 wall is also, we can say, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area formula is also 2HL plus B. And costing is given. Now what will be the cost of whitewashing if the ceiling room is, if you will see the ceiling, it should be area that is of rectangle, length into breadth. So length into breadth, that is 12 into 8, 96. Again the costing, if I want to find out, then I have to multiply by 5, then 480. So 480 is for ceiling cost and area of 4 wall cost is 1280. So if I will total it again, so sorry, again area of 4 wall costing is 800, area of ceiling cost is 480, so total costing is 1280. So that is related with the sum cube and cuboid. Now one more sums related it, that is building is 25 cylindrical pillars. So when pillars is there, we can say it's a curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH. Here centimeter is there, here meter is there. So when centimeter is there, I have to divide it by 100. Answer must be in meter. So that is 0.28 meter. So height is equal to 4 meter. Write 2 pi RH. We can get answer 7.04 meter square. If I will divide it 0.4, then multiply, you will get answer 7.04. Now how many pillars are there? 24 pillars are there. So I have to multiply by 24. Then the area is 168.96 meter square. Again the costing is rupees 8 per meter square. So if I multiply with 8, the answer must be in rupees. So these type of sums are there. Still one more example that we have to discuss. Then in next lecture we go for exercise. So we have to find out the height of cylinder. Total surface area is given. So total surface area formula is 2 pi r h plus r, and we have to find out the height. So 2 pi, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into height radius into h plus 7 is equal to given 968. So we can cancel this, and 44 in bracket h plus 7 is equal to 968. So h plus 7 is equal to 968 divided by 44. If I will divide 11 with 4, 44, 11 with 11 8 is 80, 11 8 is 88, again remain 8, 11 8 is 88. If I will divide it by 4, then 22. So h plus 7 is equal to 22. Therefore h is equal to 22 minus 7. Therefore h is equal to 15. So here it is 15 centimeter. So example 1, 2, example 1, 2, example 7, you have to write in your rough. Write it now. So last we can say that before in next lecture we have start exercise 11.1. So before I start 11.4, what you have to today's topic we have taken, that is lateral surface area of cube, total surface area of cube, lateral surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, lateral surface area of cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder, or we can say closed. 6 formulas you have to remember. So before I start this again, before we learn it, what is the formula you have to also learn? 2 dimension, that is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle you have to know, area of square you have to know, and area of circle, that you must know. Area of rectangle L into B, area of square, that is L square, area of circle pi r square, and perimeter of circle or circumference of a circle, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square. Then these are all the solid shape. These are all the solid shape. So afterward, if you write all these 6 formula perfectly and remember it with figure, then it is easy. We can easily solve exercise 11.3. In 11.3, there are 10 sums are there. So out of 10, at least in next lecture, I have to explain 5 sums or 6 sums. Next, you try it yourself. Thank you.